When a reserve currency falls, it is not an abstract economic concept. It is devastation for ordinary people. When the pound collapsed, British citizens watched their savings lose value. The cost of imports skyrocketed. Inflation ate away at wages. Jobs disappeared as industries that depended on cheap foreign inputs could no longer compete. The standard of living that British people had taken for granted evaporated within a generation. If the dollar loses its reserve currency status, every American will feel it. Everything we import, which is almost everything we consume, will cost dramatically more. Interest rates on mortgages, car loans, and credit cards will spike. The government will have to either slash services or raise taxes or both. The comfortable American middle-class lifestyle will become a memory. This is not fear-mongering. This is history. This is exactly what happened to Britain. This is exactly what happens when a debtor nation loses the trust of its creditors. The timeline is what concerns me most. Britain's transition from apparent strength to obvious weakness took about 30 years, from 1920 to 1950. But the final collapse, when it came, took less than 2 weeks. America's transition has been underway since at least the 1970s, when we went off the gold standard. We have been running trade deficits every single year since 1975. We have been accumulating debt at an accelerating pace since the 2008 financial crisis. The foundation has been weakening for 50 years, which means the collapse, when it comes, will be even more sudden than Britain's was. I do not know if that collapse will come